welcome back to my channel. Today is another video. I got this bag here. This bag, I think a duvet came in this bag, so I think it's really good to transport things in. It has this clear plastic, so what I want to do is actually put this burlap fabric over here on both sides so that it will just for privacy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to put this on top of this, cut it out and just sew it on. Simple. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna overlock all around, I guess, and then I'm gonna turn the edges in, because this is a zipper going around here. I'm gonna turn the edges in and just stitch this right at the end here, at the top and at the side. Alright. Alright, so I'm here at the machine now. So if you're doing something like this, you want the fabric or whatever you're using to line, you want it to be inside. Okay? So I'm going to start at the top. Right, so what I'm going to do is to turn this burlap this way. The raw edges, I'm going to turn it down. Make sure it's even straight across, and that is not down too far, so when you turn it you see in the raw edges here. Alright, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to fit this in, and I'll show you at the end what it looks like. Alright, so what I did here was put in the other side by hand, because obviously it would be difficult with the machine the way how it is. Alright, so I went ahead and finished the other side, and this is what it looks like. Alright, so this is a bag, as I said, you could take with you, like if you're going to events. And this is what I'm going to use this bag for. And I'm going to events to put my little things in to sell. And you have the handle here, so it's really good. Alright, so when you have these bags, you can make use of them. You know, you can make use of them to carry things in. Okay, so like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.